And we're back with another knife review. Today we'll be doing the Bastion Aries. It is a flipper, a new offering from Bastion Knives. I went ahead and took this one out ahead of time. Go ahead and show you here how easy it is to open. We'll go over a little bit of the specs now. It's kind of interesting knife at first glance. I like the cut on the scales. Not sure I like this a whole lot, but we'll see how that works. Blade material is D2. The scale material here is G10. Overall length is 7.75 inches. Blade length is 3.3 inches. It is coated with a little jimping on the top. Utilizes the see-through chassis. Blade width is 0.875. Handle length is 4.45. Has ceramic ball bearings for the pivot. And the weight is 4.1 ounces. It is a liner lock. You can easily open it and close it with one hand. And it weighs in at just over 4 ounces. We'll grab some stuff here to cut. As you can see, it cuts through this very smoothly and easily. Let's get something a little thicker to cut. Bring over some paracord. Do it one more time. You can see there's a little fraying here. Not too bad. Did cut pretty smoothly. Grab a piece of cardboard. So you can see that this spine here is a little thicker than the other Bastions that we've done. So it is going to be more of a brute cutting through the cardboard. So you can see it's not as precision of cut because the blade is a little thicker than the Tonto style that we just did. But overall, it is a nice cutting knife. Alright, let's go ahead and wipe that off there. So once again, this is the Bastion Aries. For those of you people that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow @AtlanticKnife and like our post. And if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We do lots of 5-minute reviews, 1-minute quick looks, and our weekly show. On that note, this is the Bastion Aries in Wolf Gray. And I am C with Atlantic Knife signing off.